What's up, y'all? Good evening, y'all. As y'all can see, like, my environment is a little different because today I'm in my truck trying to do a mukbang for y'all. Mukbang, whatever you want to call it. I went to Hardees and got something. I was gonna do McDonald's. Didn't see any McDonald's for us truckers to go to. So they had Hardees, and I just grabbed a burger. It looks really plain. I thought it was gonna have like lettuce and tomato and stuff on it, but it really just looks like a plain burger. So I'm a little bummed about that, but whatever. And I got their curly fries. Bam. So yeah, and it's cold too. I just got it, but it is what it is. We're gonna eat. Oh, I ain't say my grace. Yeah, so we're gonna try this. I hope it's warm because I don't feel like reheating this stuff. It's cold. And the thing is, like, when I get food, I can look at the staff and just about tell if my food gonna be good or not. So I already knew it wasn't. And I climbed on the top bunk because the light is right there. So it's easier for you guys to see me. Because when I'm on the bottom bunk, like, you can't hardly see me like that. Like, here's a light right here too. And my jacket's my mess up here. But yeah, got a little window. A little plug for my phone. It's so cold. I knew better, and I did it anyway. And it's hot up here too, because I forgot to turn the air conditioning on. The thing is, the air conditioning, here that burger is. The air conditioning is on up at the front, but it's a different one in the back too. So just in case somebody's hot and they're driving, and somebody's cold and they want to, you know, set their own temperature. I wish I could see it. Ooh. Got me a Pepsi. This burger is dry. Oh my God. I could have sworn that picture had lettuce and tomato on it. And I don't even feel like turning around. And I am horrible. I'm the worst when it comes down to checking my order. The cheese look cold. But I set myself up, y'all, because I knew what I was getting myself into when I walked in there. Didn't want no customers in there. And I feel like having us truckers are the main one that eat that mess, because everybody else got somewhere else to go. And I'm headed to Ohio, Greenfield, Ohio. right back to North Carolina because my gas card don't work. So I ain't got no gas card to get fuel. Or fuel card. It's not gas card, it's fuel. Because that's how, of course, it's diesel. So you can't say you getting gas, you're getting fuel. Getting diesel. I did get some apple pies too. I have a feeling they cold too. But I was a little hungry. All I've been eating, y'all, is seaweed snacks. I bought a pack of 20 seaweed snacks from Amazon. I think I ate like 10 of them. Don't judge me. But I was like, when you're driving for hours, you just want to start snacking. Which is why I didn't bring a lot of chips and stuff on here. Excuse me. But them seaweed snacks, 20 packs for $10. It's really good. And the bad part about like when I go to Hardees and stuff, I'm not one of those people that I like to leave good reviews, which I need to start doing that. But I'll leave a bad review in a heartbeat. Make sure I keep my receipt for this food. The bad part is, there's not too many truck stops that I've been to that had good food. Like, I feel like truckers, like, I don't feel like we get looked at like humans. I think we get looked at like we get leftovers or whatever, you know, whatever's left. Like, we don't get nothing fresh. I feel like half of the stuff's probably made first of the shift and they just leave it. Like I said, I only wanted to go ahead and get something because I wanted to do a little, you know, eat with you right quick, because I did bring some chicken and stuff on here, so I'll probably make that probably tomorrow and probably still eat with y'all. And I brought, what else I bring? Chicken, excuse me, and like a couple of veggies, those little box ones that you put in the microwave. But I don't have a microwave, I got an air fryer. So I'll wrap it up in foil and I sit it in the air fryer. My stomach probably gonna be hurting. Oh my god, man! Y'all know when I ate them spicy chicken wings, my stomach went right for like 24 hours. It was just burning, like my insides was just burning, like my stomach, you can feel it. It was almost like a heartburn feeling, but it wasn't here. It was really in my stomach. I won't do that again. And if I do, it won't be no time soon. It would be nice if B-Love was home or in Ohio, but I think she in California or Atlanta. Even if she was home, I probably wouldn't see her anyway, but it would be kind of cool just to know I was in the same, you know, region. Plus she busy anyway moving. And I hate, oh my God, I hate moving with a passion. I hate it so bad that I throw a lot of my stuff away. Because I hate packing it. And then when you start packing stuff and like really going through your stuff, you really start noticing it's half of that stuff you don't even want it or don't need it. Or you probably didn't even realize you still had it. Ooh, making a mess. I got so many clothes I gotta get rid of. I told my boyfriend when we move again, hopefully, I really want to be moving into a house with a garage so I can park my car. Because like I said, you can't have nice stuff without somebody trying to break into it in Charlotte. No matter what side of town you live on, somebody gonna break in your stuff if it's nice. So I think I'm gonna get me a nice car, park it in the garage. But I think I'm gonna trade my other car in when I pay for it. I mean, speak it, manifest it. Pray about it. It'll happen. Because I want 2 cars. And I want my 3-door garage with my 5 bedrooms. I'll take 3 bathrooms. It's good. Ooh, excuse me. And I gotta eventually make me a vision board. I keep saying I'll make one, and I don't ever make it. I know Dollar Tree got those little poster boards. I was thinking about those ones that's folded up into 3. I can't think of what it is. And get me some magazines and cut it out and put it on my board. Because I still got 6 months left in this year. And I really want to be getting half of the stuff on my to-do list done. Which I do feel like I accomplished a lot. Excuse me, but I'm still not, of course, where I want to be. And I know a lot of people, like, they get comfortable, and I'm not trying to be one of those people. I really want to be making money and not working for nobody but myself. Not in the back of no truck, eating on Hardees. Excuse me. Cold Hardees at that. This was so hard to eat, y'all. It's just, I can't. I'm mad at myself for not checking it. But that's why I bring food on my truck. So I can't be mad at nobody but myself if my food ain't made right. And it's always better, of course. Y'all know, making your own food. Ain't nothing better than making your own burger, making your own fries. It's just convenient to go to a restaurant and get it, but it's always better when I make my own stuff. Unless I just don't know how to make it, and that'll be a different story. I can't eat that. Let's see if these things any good. This is something I don't need. For some reason, like my first day out and my last day, I always eat the worst. They turn over. It's like they got smaller. It tastes like a regular turnover, nothing special. And surprisingly, I really don't gain a lot of weight in my truck. And 9 times out of 10, it's because like I do apple cider vinegar in the morning, and I do apple cider vinegar for lunch and before I go to bed. And I don't eat this stuff either. Like I said, I always make my own food. I usually eat chicken or fish, but I only brought chicken this time. And I don't bring soda. Only time I bring soda, only time I have soda is actually, I have to actually go to the store and stop for it. But I don't bring a bunch of sodas on here. I just bring water. I think tomorrow I might do like some chicken wings or something. I gotta straighten this truck out, because last night when I put my stuff in here, we just threw it. We just threw everything in, because they just gave me my truck Monday. They gave me my truck Monday. Yeah, and I put my stuff in it yesterday, and then I started working today. I don't know if y'all remember when they gave me the one with the dog hair in it and I couldn't do it. Like I said, nothing against dogs. Like, if y'all think about it, like you might like your dog, if you have your own dog, and you can deal with your own dog fur and stuff. But then you get in somebody's car, or you buy a brand new car, and if it got dog fur all over it, you don't know who dog that was. You don't know what kind of shots they had. You don't know anything about the dog. All you know is it's fur all over the place, and you don't want it. So that's how I was feeling. It's just like if you buy an apartment or get you a house and they got a stain on the rug, you don't know what that stain is. But if you see your kids running through the house with some Kool-Aid or some soda or something, or some juice, and they spill it, you know where it came from. But when somebody else does it, you don't know what it is. So that's kind of how I feel about it when I get a truck. So this one, they cleaned it spick and span. I guess they didn't want me to complain about it, because I complained about 3 trucks already. 2 of them had mold on the walls. Like this part right here, it looked like somebody left the window open and it rained all on the side and it got moldy. And it was brown. It was nasty. On both trucks, 2 of them. And then one of the 2 had the dog hair everywhere. And I was like, I can't do that. And then the 3rd one, it was a international truck, which is like one of the bigger trucks. I can't drive those. They're too big. Like, they have like a lot of room. Like, I love the space that's in it, but it's too big. It's almost like let's just say you get used to driving a Ford Focus, and then you get into somebody's F350 and you hit a little pole on the ground because you're so used to your Ford Focus, and your Ford Focus you could see it, but in the F350 you can't see it, if that makes sense. So when you back up your little Ford Focus and you backing in the parking space, boom, you got it. When you back up in that F350, you be like, oops, I done bumped a few things because I'm used to my Ford Focus. So that's how I feel when I got in that big old truck. Even though my Volvo not a Ford Focus. Okay. Oh, no, nothing against the Ford Focuses now. If you got a Ford Focus, drive your Ford Focus. But I like my Volvo. The Volvo is my preference. I did a small little tutorial, not a tutorial, but a small little video on my truck so everybody can see it. I might post it at the end of this video so you guys can see my little truck. I ain't got nothing but a big old mess back here. Oh, this is my my luggage. Like I said, I didn't unpack anything yet. I don't really take my clothes out of my bag anyway because it's just too much. Like, I can just take it out of my bag. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to get back on the road. I'm really just gonna drive like 30 minutes up the street, really, because it'll put me a little bit closer to where I'm trying to go before my time runs out. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll see you guys again. I might have some wings. I think I got chicken breast too, so it'll be chicken breast and wings. That's all I got. That's why I did this hamburger video, because after that, y'all, we just gonna be eating wings and chicken, unless I find something else somewhere, and then I might stop somewhere and get something else. But I kind of like sticking to my norm, so I don't be gaining too much weight out here. Because baby, I done seen some truck drivers, and I ain't trying to be like that. Like, I ain't got time to be out here. Like, I don't mind driving trucks, but I ain't trying to look like I do. So, let me let y'all go. I'm full. But let me get on the road, drive a little 30 minutes, so that way I can be only an hour away from my destination in the morning. And y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you guys later. Peace.